Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom effects for text in Canva designs. So here I've already opened a blank canvas and I want to create a custom effect for text. You can just go to the apps in here and then click on the search bar and find the type lettering apps. This one, just click on the apps in here. So by using these apps you can create a customizable text effect for captivating designs. You can elevate your design with types, letterings, captivating text effects. Let's click on open. Okay, now it will loading the phones. Here just choose the templates that you want. So for example, I'm going to just use this ones right here. You can change the text. I'm going to just write like this. And then you can change the font if you like it, change the alignment, and here you can also change the line height. I'm going to add some spacing here, and here you can also change the color, but I'm not going to, so I'm going to just click on add to design, and this will be the result. If you want to create a new one, you can just restart by going back and choose the new templates. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on